Hey everyone, this is Zabeen. Let me begin this video by asking a couple of questions. Have you ever thought, why am I my old self? Why are some people successful at my age and I am not? Why are some really popular and others just mediocre? Why are some people living a happy life and others are very sad? What if I tell you that there's just one answer to all these questions, and that is the mindset? The wrong programming of your subconscious mind you have been doing for years, and I have been doing for years. Okay, so imagine people telling me, hey Zubeen, you know what? You're lazy. You're good for nothing. You can't achieve anything in life. And I have been listening to this for years and years from my own family members, friends, to my teachers at university, and also that I've been growing up in such environment where I've been constantly listening to this, and this has been fed in my subconscious mind. Okay, so let me tell you what my mind does. These incoming thoughts go inside my mind. Now my mind creates an emotion out of these thoughts. I start feeling insecure, I start to lose my confidence. Now gradually this starts to become a belief. Now my mind looks for confirmation to what's been fed in my mind. Like, I literally don't go out looking for confirmations, but unconsciously I look for them. Now let me give you an example. Okay, so if there are people who come up to me and tell me that, hey Zubeen, you know what, you're doing amazing in life, and even if one person tells me, you're not doing it, you're not going to make it to the top, my mind is going to take that as a confirmation to what has been already fed in my mind. After this, I start to have a strong belief that, I'm not good. I can't achieve anything in life. This process grows strong each passing day, and this keeps repeating, like your thoughts becoming an emotion, and then looking for confirmations, and then making it a belief. I finally accept that, you know what, I can do it. Success is not meant for me. I make a statement clear to me that I am not going to make it to the top. This is how your mind is going to work with your thoughts. Now let me break it down for you. Your mind is categorized into 3 parts: your conscious, your subconscious, and your unconscious. We all know what conscious is: anything that we're aware of around us. Now, subconscious mind can be compared to a servant that works on the orders of your conscious mind. So if you choose to send wrong messages to your subconscious mind, then your subconscious mind is going to deliver emotions relating to negativity like depression, anxiety, and fear. And this will ultimately affect your behavior. That's how your thoughts turn into a reality. So let me give you an example of, how your subconscious mind works. If I ask you to touch a pointed sharp knife, would you do it? No, right? Because you know that it's going to hurt you. And if I ask a kid to do the same thing, he's going to do it because the kid doesn't know that it's harmful. So the moment the kid realizes that the knife is dangerous, he is creating that experience in his subconscious mind. So the next time I'm gonna ask the kid to do it, he is not, because his subconscious mind is not going to allow him to touch the pointed sharp knife. And also another example is of a doorbell. Imagine there's a door, and to the left side of the door you have the doorbell for years and years. So every time you want to ring the bell, you use your left hand. And now for some reason the doorbell is shifted to the right side of the door. Now when you want to ring the bell, you unconsciously raise your left hand, thinking that the doorbell is still at the left side, because it has been fed in your subconscious mind that the doorbell is still at the left side of the door. So now it is going to take time for your subconscious mind to delete that information and to take in new information that the doorbell has been shifted to the right side. Now, in the same way, imagine how we've been sending the wrong messages to our subconscious mind, saying that I'm not going to make it happen, it's not my cup of tea, I can't do it, I'm bad at this, I'm bad at that. So the next thing is to reprogram your subconscious mind. And how do you do it? The first step towards reprogramming your subconscious mind is to make a goal. Hunt for your goals. While others are hunting for airdrops in PUBG, you go and hunt for your goals. For some, it could be losing weight, while for others, it could be gaining. The second step is to focus. Stop focusing on people who demotivate you, discourage you, and start to focus on the positive things, on why you can do it more than why you cannot do it. The third step is to visualize your goal, to form a mental image of what you want to be. Imagine yourself in that position you want to see yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has enriched you with information which you hadn't known and helped you to bring about some transformation in the way you think.